Okay, we got our rainwater leader inspection pass in the garage. The thing is backfill over the weekend, and we're framing already. Oh my God, it's going fast. We passed all our inspections for rainwater leaders just before the weekend. And over the weekend, the guys came in and backfilled, compacted, and they started ordering materials for the walls. And now Monday morning, man, we're already building walls for the garage. So you notice that this went pretty fast. Unlike the house where we took a bit more time to backfill the sides because the foundation walls were much taller and more susceptible to cracking if you were to put too much pressure on it. For a wall like this, for a garage wall, given it's only like 2.5, 3 feet down, the soil pressures don't matter as much, so we can backfill it right to the grade level. And we can also start backfilling the insides as well, where we start preparing for the next part, which is the garage slab. But right now, the walls are starting getting framed up. This is a hand-cut roof as well, same as the house. So it'll take a bit more time to frame this garage up. We'll give it about 3-4 days of framing and see how they come about. And one of the things I want to mention today is, you see this pile of gravel here? Well, we ordered this in addition to what we needed. So the reason why we have this here is, once all this clutter and garbage gets cleaned up, after all the walls and stuff are getting framed, we're gonna take the gravel and we're gonna spread it throughout the entire backyard. That way, trades are walking on gravel rather than mud. And if you have less mud to track into the house, the better and cleaner the job site will be. So tomorrow's a big day. We have Greer spray foam guys coming in tomorrow. They'll be taking about 3 to 4 days to spray the entire house down. So at the same time, no other trades will be present. We'll leave them to work on their own, and we'll check back on the progress of the spray foam. But until tomorrow, let's check back.